Hello, my name is Brian Montes. Would you like traveling to Gorgona Island? Lovely island that you can visit and to now in 5 days and 4 nights. Cheer up. Gorgona Island is located in the Colombian Pacific in the department of Cauca. You may enjoy of Islesque culture and gastronomy. Duration of the trip. You will enjoy 5 magnificent days and 4 nights, including accommodation and food, tour guides, and transportation to get to know this beautiful island. Means of transportation. You must take you and play to get the airport. Juan Casiano Solis, that you can travel by line by bus or taxi to get boarding and take a boat to get to take Iceland. Activities to do. Day 1. You must visit all prisons of Colombia. Now history is structure. Day 2. You should explore the marine life of the Pacific Ocean through birding and you will siren gun pack waves in the water of the Pacific. Day 3. You should take in ecology, world ecology, observing the wild fauna and flora the island. Therefore, you must have Pacific Crossing on tour the museum on the island. Day 5. Day rest, where you can enjoy the beach and buy the passive handicraft. Place to stay. During your stay in the Gorgona Island is recommended to stay in the only safe and comfortable hotel and you must reserve a cabin and room on their hotel called Gorgona National Park Hotel. Gatewhere you can also camp by rating then Tenguin Temaures. Typical foods. As typical dishes, you should the eat coconut rice, sweet dish, flour coconut. You should have tried the fried fat which refers the original tradition on the ancestors accompanied by rice, avocado, and banana. The Gorgona Island hungry is typical dish due to invariant of flour, with taking about drinks that are alcoholic or non alcoholic. Drinks amount that you should have tea and Colombian coffee. You must drink coconut lemonade and mint lemonade with liquor and with alcoholic. You should drink Coco Loco, margarita, and whiskey, and lula of as traditional drink. Cost to travel to the Gorgona Island will include 4 5 days and 4 nights. You must pay total of the $300 per person, with including airfares, lodging, food, urban transport, and tour guides. Thank you.